that we want to take supplements that protect the DNA. We want a lot of free radical damage. You don't want broken chromosomes. And we also want to boost the repair systems. Mitochondria are key to that. That one of the most important parts of a nerve cell are the mitochondria. We have thousands in each cell. And in the brain and in muscle, they're really important because our nerve cells need a lot of energy to work. Over time, as you get older, those mitochondria are less active. And you start to get brain fog and your nerve cells don't work as well. And eventually they lose their identity. And so some of the supplements that I take are aimed at boosting mitochondrial activity. So first one we can talk about is Metformin. Metformin is a drug to treat type 2 diabetes and lower blood sugar. And the way it works is it inhibits what's called complex 1. It's a group of proteins involved in energy production, and it stops them from working efficiently. In response, the cell says, oh my goodness, I don't have enough energy. I'm going to make more mitochondria. So mitochondria, you can think of them as bacteria. They used to be bacteria that swam around outside our cells, and then we merged them about 4 billion years ago. What we try to do is with Metformin, we inhibit them a little bit so that they multiply to compensate. And so Metformin will boost the amount of mitochondria, the number of mitochondria in your cells, and has been shown to improve memory in elderly people. Now, the other supplement that I take every day is CoQ10, part of this electron transport chain. And the levels decline with age, but they also decline when you take certain drugs. In my case, I take a statin, atorvastatin for my cholesterol, familial. It's a family issue. And CoQ10 is very important. And CoQ10 has been shown to be important for staving off diseases like depression. And that tends to happen increasingly as you get older. And so supplementing that is important for cell function and for mental health. One other one that I take is alpha lipoic acid. I did my PhD on, and you would have seen it's up on the shelf there. The little molecule is important for the enzymes that make mitochondria function. And lipoic acid actually is like a little motor in proteins that spins around, and you make less of it as you get older. I take a regular size supplement, one of those capsules that you can buy every day. And I've been doing that now for about 15 years. And I was actually recommended to do that by a guy called Denham Harmon, who invented the free radical theory of aging. He still worked in 92. Yeah, and he's my hero, and I gave a talk at his institute. And if he tells me to do something or recommend something, I'm going to do it. I've been doing it ever since. And it's been really great. And my mental health, by the way, has steadily improved with these changes. Carnitine is a version of an amino acid that's important for the body's metabolism. And that if you're deficient in it, you just have less ability to generate energy and maintain mitochondria. So taking it with ALA is really important. The other one I think we should mention is called PQQ. It's a super potent antioxidant, and it's been shown to boost the levels of a protein called neuron growth factor. And in this case, it also stimulates the mitochondria. So all of these things that we've talked about can work together to maintain the energetics and the survival of your neurons in old age.